How to check your Instagram viewers. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to check your Instagram profile viewer. So let's get started. And now on Instagram, we don't know who checks our profile and who actually is checking out our recent activity. So there's a way we can check different views on our profile, and it's really easy to do. For that, you will actually have to put up a new story. So I have actually, added this story right now. And now what I can do is I can actually check different views on my story. And this is the actually only way I can check who is, interested in my profile and who's checking my profile. And I'll be able to check the different views. So you get the activity option right here when I just actually added this story. So when somebody will view my story, I will be able to check their view right here, and I will be able to check different views on my profile. And this way you can also go ahead and check different views that you get on your profile, and it will show you who viewed your story and who checked your profile. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.